Hi everyone. We still have the girls on this old seat. They've outgrown this seat here by far. They're 2.5 and they're tall. So we're installing the new seat. This Diono right here. We're dealing with the tight space and this Chico here on this position. We hope with this, it's too small for them and too big for the car. We can't push the seat back. We have tight spaces here. So the Diono, it's gonna make more sense, but I'm anticipating they're gonna kick my seat back there. This is the Diono that we got. So why'd you get this? Because it's a taller.
It's slim.
We also put this seat cover here so our crumb crunchers can do their mass and won't destroy anything we don't have to get destroyed. It's gonna be useful for years to come. One of our associates here is removing the bag.
Isso aqui é para forward. Se você tiver criança assim, ó, coloca.
So apparently this right here is you can go forward or backward. So if you still have toddlers under 2, you can put it in a different position and still use the seat. In our case, we're gonna do it forward, but you can put it back for earlier toddlers.
Isso aqui tirou.
Diono, it seems alright, but it's awfully heavy. I don't know if it matters. It's gonna be sitting in the car. I don't think it matters for us, but if you are concerned with weight, this is not the lightest one. We liked it because it's slimmer and taller.
Essa parte. So it comes with this little parts like extension for the seat belt. Aqui, puxa aqui. You just pull the red cord. It's gonna come loose. Cadê? Isso aqui é pra outra coisa. All this is for the seat belt of the strap for them on the front. So you take this one, then you put this one here, put in here, then use that side to
Latch into them.
Yeah, put both in here.
We're attempting to show how to assemble the seat. It's the first time we're putting in the car.
So this is for their seat belt. It's ready. See? This one we're gonna put in here. So that's for this belt.
All right. So this is the back action of the seat belt right here.
Yeah. And then in here, you're gonna tie the seat belts. See? As much as you need to. So seat belts ready. It's pretty simple. And this one is for the car.
Is it for the headrest?
Yes. This one out.
So we're removing, say goodbye ladies, to the old one.
You have to.
Let me get some grapes. Get the grapes out. What else? Whatever else, there's probably dead animals here. Peanuts.
It's cleaner than the van.
Beautiful, see? I can feel now, I can push my seat back more. I feel ready.
And then,
Not the pizza, it's called Diono, not DiGiorno.
and then here, this for the bottom of the.
So the attachment for the bottom. This is the attachment for the bottom of the seat, for the seat belt.
Yes. So here you just have to regulate how much you want it to come loose. can put them both. So you just have to find in your car where.
Wouldn't it be nice, Solange, for you to vacuum this sometimes?
Yeah, yeah.
This accumulates so often. It's just crazy. It's almost not worth detailing this car anymore.
There you go. Clean, clean. This way. Second one. Yeah. On the.
Where?
Yeah.
Ah, I see. There's a little latch behind your seat there. Gotcha.
Where you?
Here we go.
Pretty easy. And then you can just tie how much or whatever you need. Okay, now back.
The crow is here.
Panic.
While we're doing this, the crow is eating the formula.
Zoe.
Zoe, don't touch anything, baby. Come here.
Não vai querer entrar.
No, 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 no. No, no, no. Vem cá. Come here, Carla. It's okay, but we don't need to play like this anymore. We're done playing here, baby. Thank you. Thank you so much. You're not done. You're not done yet. I know you're not done. It's okay. Just close the door.
Não, mamãe vai colocar o car seat pra gente ir dar uma volta. Hey, I don't know if you deserve to go to the park after. So, let's... Mamãe vai acabar.
Once we latch the back, that's what it looks like. We vacuum a little, but I feel sorry for the next owner of this car, honestly. But not an issue right now. The seats look good now. Plenty of space. Carla and Zoe's new station here. I'm a little cramped over here, so I'm gonna move back, and I'll move back the most I can now. This is great. There's still plenty of room behind here.
Sliding sun.
Another subtle feature here is as they grow, you can pull this back, give more comfort. If you're skinny, you close this way, open it, close again. Cool. This one doesn't move. You have the belts here, as they all do. You can also adjust the position of the belt according to their size. Very strong latches here. There's a lot more room here when you're facing forward.
Deixar o cinto aí, ela quer ficar tirando o cinto.
No, Zoe, don't learn to take it off. Leave it on. Leave it on, Zoe.
Esse aí então, Carla, vem. Carla disse que é bonito.
É bonitinho?
Porque senão machuca o dedo.
It's not yet. They don't reach. They are unable to. Oh, Zoe can bang it if she wants to. You're not gonna hit mommy, right? No, you can't. Thank you, Zoe. Zoe can reach it.
Não é pra bater. É, Carla, não é pra bater aqui. Sou empregada aqui. Coloca esse cinto.
As you see, they're unable to hit us on the back here. There's plenty of space, right? First ride on the forward seat. Well, in this car. The other car has one. But anyways, these are first ride on these seats, the new seats in this car, right? No, 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 no. This is a normal. That's what's not cool. Don't put your feet here, okay? No, no. Zozo, see, Zozo cannot reach, but that is taller. Daddy has to push the seat back more.
Eu quero ver ela tirar essa merda.
Você tirou o cinto? Põe de volta, filha. É pra sua segurança, filha. Tá todo torto o cinto lá. Isso.
Pronto. Esse barulho.
E você aqui, Carla? Tá de cinto? A Carla também tirou o cinto.
Coloca o braço.
Monkey see, monkey do.
Zoe, Carla, coloca o braço, coloca o cinto, né? Coloca o cinto. Então colocar mais pra cima. Esse belt.
É.
Coloca aqui em cima.
Tá ótimo, aí tá bom.
Então vamos.
Vamos.
Carla's gonna give her feedback on these chairs.
Carla, o que que a cadeirinha não tem? Oi? Aonde coloca o copo?
Vai ter o cacete.
Carla, onde coloca o copo?
Lá na van. Lá na van. Lá na van.
Tem copo.
Lá na van.
É, lá na... Onde que, o que que a cadeirinha não tem?
Copo. Olha o mudança.
So resuming, Carla gives a 5 for these seats, maybe a 7. No cup holders. She noticed right away. So I don't know. Are we gonna keep these seats with no cup holder? They're not digging it. Here in America, we have cup holders in the cars. You know, you gotta carry big gulps. Yeah, the big gulps. You gotta have the cup holder. Thanks for watching another video about nothing, but I hope this nothing here is less nothing, and I hope the video helps you in installing the Diono seats. We'll see how they perform. We'll let you know later. We'll let you know how much they kick the back of the seats and so on.